the people they want to know. What are regenerative heart stem cells? Well, by the end of this video, you are going to know. Okay, guys, so what regenerative heart stem cells are, these are basically specialized stem cells. These are multipotent progenitor cells that have been chemically differentiated by a scientist in a lab in order to turn these cells into desirable cell lines that can be used for clinical applications. So in the instance of treating the heart, the scientists would have differentiated the cells into a cardiac myocyte. And I'm sure this is all sounding very exciting for you guys if you're living with heart conditions, but I'm going to burst your bubble. This stuff is not science fact. It's science fiction. The doctors or scientists are still working on it, and it's not being rolled out on the public yet. But what is being rolled out on the public to help safely and effectively treat cardiac issues is an adult mesenchymal stem cell. You see, an adult mesenchymal stem cell has the ability to turn into cardiac myocytes, and your body is going to do the differentiation in vivo, similar to the way that the doctors would do it in vitro. Okay, so you don't need to do it in vitro when you can do it in vivo. You see what I mean? Anyway, guys, if you're living with cardiac issues and you're wondering if it's now time to do something about it, wonder no longer. Go to the Regenerative website, fill out a form. One of our doctors are going to be looking through your file, and somebody will be getting back to you in short order. So adios for now, regenemex.com.